I've always wanted to go to Imperial to study medicine, so this course will really help shape me up for that.
I think the most exciting part has been the amount of practical experience we've received. Being in a hospital, seeing the machines, all of it has been so engaging.
Conducting practical experiments and analysing data has deepened my understanding.
Learning about life sciences here means doing real experiments, like studying genes and traits, and understanding what makes living things unique.
Learning about endocrinology and diabetes made me understand more about the medical world.
The summer school has been a great opportunity to immerse myself in the Imperial community and academics. It's a way to give myself as many opportunities as possible for the future.